Think with Google and the Primer app present Lightning Lessons, Marketing for Holidays and Special Moments. Part 1, Finding the Right Moments. Special moments throughout the year can have a big effect on people's shopping habits, so it's smart to run dedicated marketing campaigns during those times. Special moments can include holidays, seasonal changes, TV show finales, or any other day that's different from the rest. To zero in on the right moments for your brand, start with a broad list of events that happen throughout the year. Write down all the holidays or special moments that come to mind. Go beyond the obvious. The last day of school, International Women's Day, or the first big snowstorm of the year could all be your moment to shine. Look for when you have spikes and dips in sales or engagement during the year. Do they coincide with any moment or event? Add the moments your audience is interested in. You can find this out through surveys, or you can use Google Trends to discover how your audience is searching. Then dig into the data to see if those searches align with a particular moment. Once you have a broad list, use your brand identity to refine it. Look at each moment's themes and messages. Do they fit your brand? You should also look for the moments that people automatically associate with your brand to identify when your product is most in demand. For example, plastic utensils are in demand during cookout season, and bug spray is associated with summer. Get creative. Your brand could match up with cultural events that don't seem like an obvious fit at first. A water brand can help concert attendees stay hydrated. When you finish refining your list of holidays and moments, you're ready to make a marketing plan and create assets. For more marketing tips and tutorials, download the Google Primer app or visit thinkwithgoogle.com. Next, Part 2, Making a Plan and Creating Assets.